How to make your Snapchat account private. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make your Snapchat account private. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll actually need to know is that there is no option to change your Snapchat account to private. So yeah, there is no such thing as a private Snapchat account. But what you can actually do is tweak some of the settings on your Snapchat so that your account is as private as it can get. So let's see how we can do that. Open up your Snapchat first and then tap on your profile on the top right corner. After doing that, tap on your settings icon that is on the top right corner, and now you are on your settings. What you'll then need to do is scroll down, and after you scroll down for a bit, you'll see privacy controls. Right here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to just make sure that all of the settings are as private as possible. So you can just tap on your location, tap on see my location, and here under who can see my location, you can simply enable your ghost mode so that no one other than yourself can see your location. After that, you can just block users which you do not like. And on your story as well, make sure that your friends can only view your story. You can even create a custom list of who can view it. After doing that, what you can do is you can just tap on contact me. Make sure that your contacts are set to friends only. And here you will see me in friends. So just make sure that you turn that off as well. What this does is that it helps friends find each other in Snapchat by just sharing mutual connections. So turn that off as well. And under activity indicator, make sure that you turn that off as well. So similarly, you will need to just make sure that all of the others are set to as private setting as private settings as possible. And after doing that, your Snapchat account is as private as it can get. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.